Welcome to this tutorial on test-connection, PowerShell's modern ping alternative. If you've been using the traditional ping command for network testing, you're about to discover a much more powerful tool that's built right into PowerShell. Test-connection gives you richer output, better scripting capabilities, and works seamlessly across Windows, Linux, and macOS. Let's explore how this cmdlet can transform the way you test network connectivity. So why should you use test-connection instead of the classic ping command? First, it's PowerShell native, meaning it returns rich objects that you can easily manipulate in your scripts, rather than just plain text. Second, it offers more features than basic ping, including traceroute capabilities and advanced filtering options. Third, it's truly cross-platform, working identically whether you're on Windows, Linux, or macOS. And finally, it's highly scriptable, making it perfect for automation tasks like monitoring multiple servers or building health check scripts. The basic syntax of test-connection is straightforward. You simply type test-connection followed by the computer name parameter and the target you want to test. For example, test-connection computer name google.com. This sends echo requests to the specified host, just like ping does, but returns a PowerShell object with detailed information about each response, including response time, status, and the protocol used. Test-connection comes with several useful parameters. The -count parameter lets you specify how many echo requests to send, similar to ping's and option. The -delay parameter sets the number of seconds to wait between each ping. The -timeout seconds parameter controls how long to wait for a response before considering it failed. And the -quiet parameter is particularly useful for scripting, as it simply returns true or false instead of detailed output, making it perfect for conditional logic. Let's look at some practical examples. To send 4 pings to a target, you would use test-connection computer name 8.8.8.8 count 4. This sends exactly 4 echo requests to Google's DNS server. You can also ping multiple hosts at once by providing a comma-separated list. For instance, test-connection computer name google.com github.com. This tests connectivity to both hosts in a single command, which is much more efficient than running separate ping commands. The -quiet parameter is incredibly useful when you need simple true or false results. Running test-connection computer name google.com -quiet returns either true if the host is reachable or false if it's not. This is perfect for conditional logic in your scripts. For example, you can write if test-connection computer name server 01 -quiet, then write -host server is online . This creates clean, readable code that checks connectivity and takes action based on the result, making it ideal for monitoring scripts and automated health checks. Beyond basic connectivity testing, test-connection offers several advanced features. The traceroute parameter traces the network path to your destination, showing each router hop along the way. The -IP4 and -IP6 parameters let you explicitly specify which IP protocol version to use. The buffer size parameter allows you to set the packet size in bytes, useful for testing maximum transmission unit issues. And the max hops parameter limits the maximum number of router hops allowed, which is particularly useful when combined with traceroute functionality. These advanced options make test-connection far more versatile than the traditional ping command. Let's recap what we've learned. Test-connection is PowerShell's native ping alternative, offering much more functionality than the traditional command. Always use the -quiet parameter when you need Boolean true or false results in your scripts, as it makes your code cleaner and more efficient. Remember that test-connection is more powerful than traditional ping, with features like traceroute, IP6 support, and rich object output. And finally, it's perfect for network automation and monitoring tasks, whether you're checking a single server or building comprehensive health check systems. Start incorporating test-connection into your PowerShell scripts today, and you'll quickly see how it simplifies network testing and troubleshooting.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.